Hemi44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue thing don't stop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car.
Yes, sir.
Blue flame don't stop.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ride hard, dart the car.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Hemi like ride. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
On the road.
Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 44 gang was heading, man. It's your boy Hemi44 back with another video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse one of our 2021. Make sure you go to Hemi44.com, get your merch. You understand me? You know what I'm saying? You understand me merch, go get that. Also get your yes sir merch. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go get out there, y'all tap in with the website, y'all support the movement, you know what I'm saying? Get the merch. We're going up, man. So today I got a video I got some content that I should have been and brought to y'all, and if we being honest, actually I already recorded this video. I recorded this video the day that I found out my car had got wrecked by whoever did it, whether it was somebody that just bumped into it while Hemiwife was in it, or if Hemiwife actually did it. We don't know to be fact. So, however, whatever happened, you know what I'm saying? I had recorded this video that day. That's what I was doing. But when I got ready to end the video, I noticed that, and that just took the whole. I couldn't even finish the video no more. So yeah, so I'm gonna do it today. But pretty much what we doing, man. Y'all know I got a mod on my vehicle. Some people might not have knew that was a mod, but that's exactly what it was. It was kind of like a show type mod. You know what I mean? I guess you could say, because it was actually like if. Oh my God, bro, it's 18-wheeler tripping. So if you see it, you looking at it like, oh, that's a dope, make your car look better. But people didn't know that actually enhances your car driving ability. And when I mean by driving ability, I mean for as the handling around curves. So what I'm talking about is pretty much the strut bar that I put up under my hood, which if y'all hadn't seen it, I'll show y'all once I stop. But right now I was actually going somewhere and they got a lot of curves where I'm going. So I feel like this will be the best time to test that out. So it's supposed to make your car handle better around curves. Like I said, I haven't just noticed it like that because I never drove my car like around curves trying to pay attention to the fact that it don't handle good, or you know what I'm saying. Now I'm actually paying attention, but I have the strut bar on, so it'll be hard for me to say, yeah, it handled like this now, because I don't remember how it handled without the strut bar on, because I never paid attention to it like that when I was going around curves. But from what I was told, this does work. And I do know these cars are heavy and they not good around curves. I do know that. So I guess we're just gonna have to drive it and see that handle around these curvy roads I'm finna go down. You know what I'm saying? But until we get there, y'all already know, pedal box is already engaged. Pedal box stay on in my car. Is this one I'm turning it? Yes, sir. Pedal box stay on in my car. You know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all go get that, man. Call that number down below. And I be feeling to let y'all know that the pedal box is for a lot of vehicles. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all seen it. I put pedal box on a Gladiator. I put it on a Jeep Wrangler. I put it on a Dodge Ram truck. I put it on a Camaro, a Mustang, all the Mopars. It's a stop sign. You got a stop sign? Yep. I done put it on all the Mopars. God. But hey, for a lot of cars, a lot of people might think just because I have it on my car, oh, it's just for charges, it's just for challenges, just for Mopar. No, they make it for a lot of different vehicles, man, and it will help a lot of different vehicles. God dang. It will help a lot of different vehicles, man. You will see a difference whether it's a V6 or a V12. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see a difference. Trust me. Don't listen to people saying if you got a tune, you don't need the pedal box. That is a complete lie. I got a tune on my car, and when I put the tune on her, you can tell the difference without the pedal. Like, you can tell the difference that the tune enhanced the pedal a little bit, but once you turn the pedal box on, it's a night and day difference still. You know what I'm saying? So don't listen to the outlet. If you got a tune, you don't need the pedal box. And I'll listen to it. Man, I really hope this thing ain't making no noise. If it is, I apologize, man. I don't know why this thing just started recently making noise. The thing is, I can't hear it, but you can hear it through the, you know what I'm saying, when I edit and all that, then you can hear it. But me right now, I can't hear nothing, bro, so I don't know it's making noise. But I really hope it's not. It just looks like it is right now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, pedal box is for everything, man. Y'all make sure y'all tap in with them. Use code Hemiwife44 for your discount. And I guess right about now is when I'm gonna turn this camera around and we're gonna hit a couple of these curves. We now on one of those type back roads. These type of roads I do not like going down. I don't like going down these roads, man. Mainly because it's like, it ain't no room if something go wrong. It's no room to move out the way, really. Like, over here, you'll be in a ditch if you did that. But these type of roads, and I wonder, y'all get in the comments, y'all let me know if y'all think like this too. I be wondering, like, when I be driving down these roads, like this truck coming right here, like, what if he veer in my lane? What I'm gonna do? You know what I'm saying? And what's crazy, you get, especially these type of roads at night, man, you get a lot of people that been drinking. You know what I'm saying? Not necessarily just all the way drunk. You ain't gotta be all the way pissy drunk to be veering off. So I ain't just saying people be drunk, but it's easy to do that when you've been drinking, to veer off into a lane. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't drink, but I've been drunk before, and I didn't drink a lot. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even. Come on, this van gotta get out of the way. Oh, that was kind of smooth right there. But this van is in the way, bro. Like, I'm really trying to do my filter. But yeah, man, I have to be careful on these type of roads, man. I try to avoid these type of roads as much as possible. But why is this van going 30 miles an hour? Like, are you serious right now? Thank you. Get out the way, man. I ain't gonna speed up just yet. I don't know no police is around. But what kind of? I'm gonna try to hit one of these curves kind of quick. Hopefully it's another one up here. I'm gonna try to keep my distance behind this car so I won't be too far gone and I can still go a good speed. Yeah, like I say, man, I don't know. Oh, that's a dip. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. I'm right up on these cars now. Why this suck, bro? This how for y'all, if y'all didn't know, which y'all didn't know, y'all didn't know this, but this is how the last video went. I was trying to do stuff and it's like everybody was in my way. The last time a police actually stopped the whole video. You know what I'm saying? The police actually killed the whole video. You know what I'm saying? But the police stopped it. He stopped that whole video. You know what I'm saying? I was trying, he had me going out around the city trying to find another spot for y'all. Big Dooley. Get out the way, Big Dooley. Get out the way, Big Dooley. How we handle around these curves. Yup. Let me see. Yup. Okay. saying? And I'm gonna try to, this gonna be the test right here. I'm gonna have to do it like this, man. Got to. That car slowing all the way down up there. I had to slow all the way down so I can hit it with some speed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a lot easier. Now I could feel a difference on now. My car ain't never handled like that around that curve. I done been around plenty of curves like that. It ain't never handled around like that. Let's try this. Oh yeah. It make a little difference. Hey, that definitely make a difference. I can feel that. That definitely makes a difference. Oh, where I'm turning it. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all hey, grocery getter. Is it grocery getter? Grocery getter racing on Instagram, man, is where I got this mod from. Y'all make sure y'all tap in with grocery getter racing, man. If y'all, oh yeah, here go another curve. Oh yeah. Oh, we gotta do it. We gotta risk it all. This car's coming, but I gotta take it quick. Oh yeah, definitely a difference. Definitely a difference. Nah, it helped, bro. Y'all can't tell. Y'all just gotta take my word. Yeah, it helps though. It really helps though. Which way? Yeah, that really helps, man. Y'all need to get y'all one of them. Best thing about that, because it helps, it actually does what it's supposed to do, and it looks good. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. And it's another one that goes in the trunk that actually, goes in the trunk where, turn on this street. I think so. Oh yeah, it's actually another one that goes in the trunk, man, and it'll make it handle even better. You know what I mean? It'll make it handle even better. Y'all make sure. I don't even know where I'm going. Is this the street? Yeah. Well, y'all make sure y'all tap in grocery go get them. I'm trying to find out where I'm going and all this and that. You know what I'm saying? But y'all make sure y'all tap in with them, man. I'm finna show y'all, for those that haven't seen the part, I'm gonna show y'all right quick. So this is the part I'm talking about. This right here. You know what I'm saying? It looks good. Of course it's gonna look good with my whole engine dressery down here, but it actually looks good and it helps, bro. It actually helps. It's not just for looks, it actually helps. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all hit up grocery getter racing on Instagram, man. Y'all get y'all one of those. You know what I'm saying? I can't explain what it does, because I knew it did something, but I forgot. And you know what I'm saying, when somebody told me, I said, let me check that out. And this one, I'm checking it out as I, you know what I'm saying, same time I brought y'all the content. So I just found out myself if it really worked or not. And it does. Handle good around them curves, man, for real. So y'all make sure y'all tap in and get y'all one of them, man. Tell them Hemiwife44 sent you too. Yes, sir. But, man, that is going to be a wrap for this video. I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and browse. We're going up all 2021. And y'all know how you know my videos. Make sure y'all share this video, man. Well, that's going to be a wrap. In the meantime, in between time, to the next video, holla at your boy, I'm out. Yes, sir.